Hello and a warm welcome to the tvONE Connect Tech Studio for this CALICO Pro first look video for the newest member of the tvONE video processor family lineup. It may only be 2RU high, but this super powerful 4K 60 processor comes off the shelf with 8 4K 60 HDMI 2.0 inputs and 4 4K 60 HDMI 2.0 outputs. Plus, you can add optional modules to add another 8 inputs and 4 4K 60 outputs, or up to 8 more outputs in 1080p 60. You can choose from a wide range of connectivity, including HDMI 2.0, HDMI 1.4, HD-Base-T, 3GB SDI, 12GB SDI, media or streams. And if that wasn't enough, there's also a built-in media store where you can upload and display still images and labels. CALICO Pro can fit in many verticals and application with direct view LED, displays and edge blend projection. For example, corporate applications including presentation areas, collaboration zones and hybrid boardrooms. Higher education for expansive auditoriums. Live events including multi-windowing with a mix of 12GB SDI camera sources and HDMI computer feeds, for example. Public venues with off-aspect direct view LED across multiple pixel pitches and also for LED ribbons. Broadcast studios for extensive backdrops with eye-popping content mapped across every display. Control rooms for even faster decision making, expanded collaboration possibilities and multi-zone control. And finally, stadiums and arenas for your jumbotrons and your LED strips. So let's look at the basics of CALICO Pro. CALICO Pro has 10-bit video processing for more accurate color rendition, together with unrivaled bandwidth allowing over 200 visual assets on screen simultaneously. These can include sources, crops, logos, still images, media clips, IP streams, keys and labels. There's completely free rotation of your sources, and it's not just 90, 180 and 270 degrees, you have complete freedom. And there's an ultra powerful labeling engine where you can create free text labels, link a label to a source name, create a label from an image, for example a logo, which you could then perhaps key, or even from a live source, for example to add a cropped RSS feed at the bottom of your display. To create powerful signage systems from just a single web page or a single source, you can use our advanced cropping. Creating multiple crops of a single 4K source, which then the sections can be freely positioned wherever you want it on your display. On the output, it's possible using output mapping to cut up a single CALICO Pro output, such as this higher education example where we have a 4K by 1K wall flanked by 2 HD panels. This would have typically needed 3 LED sender boxes. CALICO Pro can achieve this with a single output and a single LED sender box, saving you time, cost and system complexity. For peace of mind, you can monitor a whole wall, indeed multiple walls, using our Canvas Watch feature. This can be used to create a source multi-viewer, create a live events dashboard, or a streamable confidence output monitor. You can also monitor multiple walls or monitor an expansive wall and all of its individual segments. It's up to you. All of this is set up using CALICO Studio, which makes configuration a breeze. It allows you to quickly visually represent your wall, place content on it, and then set up presets in either offline or online mode. CALICO Studio has 4 enormous canvases, 16.4 gigapixels in total, that allow even the most complex walls to be set up with ease. Control is equally seamless. You can use the CALICO Studio dashboard or access our free API to control CALICO Pro in real time from the control application of your choice. What more, we are QSys partners and we also have a Crestron plugin, once again available for free. I hope you found this short introduction all about CALICO Pro useful, please like it and subscribe to make sure that you are the first to see even more content from tvONE. Also, why not head over to our YouTube channel at tvONE-AV, where you find even more tvONE content. But for now, really appreciate you watching, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.